Welcome back. You're watching the round one action in TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz 2021. The scores are Mount Airy All Age on 20 points and Marlie Mount Primary on 14 points. Let's now go to the final challenge. In this section, questions will be thrown open to both teams, with the first team to press the buzzer earning the right to answer after being identified. Teams will earn 2 points for each correct answer, but will lose 2 if the answer is incorrect or incomplete. The team pressing the buzzer has 5 seconds to answer. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's see that time on the Guardian Achiever clock. Teams, we begin section 3 with local affairs. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify the person. TVJ News anchor Janella Precious. Sports. Which country's T20 cricket team is known as the Trinbago Knight Raiders? Mount Airy.
Trinidad and Tobago.
Trinidad and Tobago.
Correct. Bible knowledge. Which king ordered that Daniel be thrown into a den of lions? Darius. Science. Which gas do most living things need in order to... Mount Airy.
Oxygen.
Oxygen.
In order to live, correct. English language. Which 6-letter verb starting with D means to slander or offend? Defame. Music. Which American singer was known as the king of rock and roll? Mount Airy.
Dennis Brown.
Dennis Brown.
Incorrect. Elvis Presley. General knowledge. The triangle star is the logo of which German motor car? Mercedes-Benz. Theater. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify the actress. Sandra Bullock. Mathematics. What percentage of 25 is 9? Mount Airy.
36.
Correct. Social studies. Which parish is to the immediate west of St. Anne in Jamaica? Mount Airy.
St. Mary. St. Mary.
Incorrect. Trelawney. Television. What is the color of the gloves worn by the cartoon character Minnie Mouse? Marlie Mount.
White. White.
Correct. Sports. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this person. NBA star Kyrie Irving. Bible knowledge. Who was the only female judge of Israel? Mount Airy.
Deborah. Deborah.
Of Israel, correct. Science. What is the name of the process in which a liquid turns into a gas? Mount Airy.
Evaporation.
Evaporation.
Correct. English language. By adding a prefix, give the opposite of palatable. Unpalatable. Music. Which gospel singer performed at the swearing-in ceremony of Prime Minister Andrew Holness in September 2020? Kevin Downswell. General knowledge. Peking is the former name of which Chinese city? Beijing. Local affairs. Who is the Minister of Finance in Mount Airy?
Nigel Clark. Nigel Clark.
In Jamaica, correct. Mathematics. What is 17 squared plus 5 squared? (314). Social studies. Is Jamaica to the north, south, east, or west of the prime meridian? Marlie Mount.
West. West.
West.
Correct. Bible not. And that is the bell signifying the end of the match and the end of today's game. So the final scores are Marlie Mount Primary on 18 points and Mount Airy All Age on 28 points. points. So congratulations to Mount Airy All-Age and well done by Marlie Mount Primary. We'll double check those scores and be right back.